Yo! I was on a camping trip. Now I'm back. So today I wanted to look at a music player. I think it's called Get MusicBee. No, it's called MusicBee. The website's called getmusicbee.com. And I was looking at this a while ago. I genuinely can't remember how I even got here. I think, oh yeah, that's right. I was searching for alternatives to iTunes because iTunes not great. Okay. Um, I mean, I don't even use iTunes anyway on Windows. Like I don't use it to okay, I don't use it to listen to music. Um, if I listen to music, I do it from my phone. But I kind of just want a nicer way to. So basically, what I do, right? The reason I use iTunes in the first place is because I used to have a MacBook, but I now have iTunes on my Windows computer, my Windows laptop. I add songs I have downloaded, like files, to iTunes, and then I sync it with my iPhone library, right? So it means I can open Apple Music, and then all my songs are there, right? Very cool. By the way, I own all these songs. Okay, I got all the CDs. I ripped them. That's why I haven't downloaded. No other reason. I would never do illegal activities. So the thing is, iTunes it's okay, but I don't love it. I'd much rather have MusicBee because it's well, I mean, not MusicBee specifically, but I'd rather not depend on iTunes just because it's not great. There are a few different reasons I don't like it, which I'm not going to explain because I have to think to explain it. But I want to look at some alternatives. So MusicBee. So let's go straight for the installer. Oh boy, it's hosted on Mega. That is not inspiring confidence, but yeah, I don't know who made MusicBee. I don't know if it's open source either. I mean, uh Stephen Mayol apparently it's existed since 2008, which is interesting. Um, I guess it isn't on GitHub. Music be source. It's not open source. Do you have an official response? Okay, so MusicBee is just one of a few different alternatives out there, but it's the one that I've settled on. With help from Claude search and also checking like Reddit and stuff. I can't save. What? What? Wait, I hold on. Let me just download the file. I don't want to save it. Here, sorry. Okay. Encrypting. Save. Probably should have specified where, but whatever. Open this folder. Um, Extract. Preferably open it as well. Where it says downloads. Ooh, going to the folders. There it is. Yeah. Um, exe. Yes. Okay. I agree. Ooh, no, do not create a desktop search. Whoops. Okay, so it's not going to launch yet. But there's the app. So let's launch it from here. Awesome. And then delete the shortcut because I don't want it there. Uh, the library database. Okay, create a library with music from the following folders. Just Kojo or import music from no from iTunes. Yes. So is that the file? Doesn't exist. Yeah, I don't think so. How do I convert it to XML though? Okay, so let's do no. Let's do this. Let's just choose iTunes. and see what happens, first of all. Not music, just iTunes. To start. Proceed. I have a lot of songs, by the way. Yeah. It's gonna scan everything. Hopefully it doesn't copy them, because I don't know how much space that's gonna take. Cool. So this is my library. Okay. So music inbox. Okay. Playlists. Right, so now all of these are not sorted by date, but that's okay. Most played? Okay. So these are right now unsorted. I assume these are artists? Yeah. Artists, and these are albums. Okay. So let's choose some random one. Can I get a shuffle button, actually? What the hell? Last FM scrobbling. Say more, say more. So let's not listen to the Underdogs podcast. That's not even a song. Let's go for a song that won't get me copyright struck, I guess. Would make sense. Um like this. Okay. Volume control. Cool. Allow scrolling. I can rate my songs. Can I unrate it? Oh. Um. Okay, so we've got like properties stuff, which is good. Where's the rating? I don't know. Yeah, so you got like the title, artist, album, year. Okay. So can I stack artists? I can. Okay, that's so one reason. Sorry, let me just pause this, please. One reason I don't like Apple Apple Music or iTunes is because you can't specify multiple artists. Like if you have multiple artists on one song, you have to like enter their information as if they are one artist. Like here, you see how I have artists right now, it's just these three. Really, it should be these three as separate artists. Like this, right? And then I can say artist, even guest performer, That's cool. But instead I have not that, which is a shame. Same with composers and genres. Oh yeah, genres as well. For some reason, you can only have one genre in iTunes. Like what? Like so? What? Like what if I want to have multiple genres? Like basically, the genres feature on my phone is useless. And I wonder if I use this, if it will work so that the songs actually show up on under multiple genres in Apple Music. It might not, but that would be nice, as opposed to you know having each album or like each song stuck in one genre. Because I don't know what I don't necessarily know what genre I want, right? Can I delete my track rating? I don't want to rate this right now. Okay, I give it 5 stars. Um, and then you got more tags as well. You have mood, occasion, keywords. Language is really useful as well. Like if I want to sort by language, because I do actually have different languages here. Like I have English, Japanese, Chinese, Arabic, Albanian, Spanish, Portuguese, French. Like I generally like one thing I do as a well an aspiring polyglot, although I don't necessarily take the most action to do so. But I like to listen to music from different languages, and I can't sort by those either. In Apple Music. But yeah, so this is looking promising. Primary picture. I guess you can add more. You can have multiple cover arts in iTunes, but it's hard to. But like the first picture is the album cover, and then all the other ones are not, right? So if I want to have my album art, it's going to override the individual song. But what if I want the album art to not be the one that's displayed. This seems to give me more options, right? I'm actually covering it. Like here, it says I can set the picture type for album cover. So this is the album cover right there. And then I can deselect this as primary picture. So then I have a different one as primary picture. So to give to give an actual example. Also lyrics, which can be synchronized. Let's go. I wonder if synchronize will work with Apple Music. And then settings like equalizer, crossfade. Okay. Save changes? No. So let's say I choose a more recent song I have added. Unfortunately, these are not sorted by recently added because this is a new app, so it's lost my metadata, I guess. But what's like an example I can think of looking here? Um, like a really clear example. Like let's say Down Under, right? By Men at Work. So let's edit this. Here's the artwork, supposedly. Year unknown, apparently. Okay. Also, I'm inspecting the album. No. This is the album information? No, this is the track. Okay. Can I edit the album? No, because I'm guessing because there's only one track, one album. Why would there be multiple? Oh, that's an artist. Oh, these are artists, right? I'm stupid. So if I edit this one, yeah, okay, I see. So it edits the album as if multiple as if editing multiple tracks at once. That's fine. So let's look at Men at Work, business as usual. All right, this album was 1981. Um, right, and had Down Under. So Down Under, Men at Work. I would assume it was the same year, but it might not be. 1980. Okay, so originally this one is 1980. Track whatever. Okay, I don't even know if it's in this album, like officially. Self-released, the best known version, second single from Men at Works. Okay, so this would be a different version. So in 1981, I'm guessing it's red because it's a new thingy, whatever. This is the album cover, which is black and white for some reason. International versions feature the same artwork tinted yellow. Okay, I see. So that's why mine is yellow. Mine is yellow. Um, is only 3 tracks. It's a singles. What is it? Studio album. Ah, okay. So it's 3 songs. I mean, this is the extended. Who can it be now? No way. That's the same guys? That's cool. So 3 out of 14, I'd say. Or just 3. You know what? Screw that. But it's disc, B-side, doesn't matter. Publisher, doesn't matter. Okay, so that's that. We have more tags, but we don't need that for now. Yeah, so here, I included this picture from iTunes. Like I got this image into it through iTunes, but this was treated. The primary picture has to be the album cover in iTunes, right? But what if I want this one to be the primary picture? So then I have to do this, change this to something else. So like let's say this is. I mean, this is not the album cover. This is the song cover, right? Um, like how do I? Which one of these would fit? Compose the lyricist, recording location, during recordings. What? It's a picture type. Illustration. I mean, it is an album cover, I guess. But like, let's have this one as a primary picture instead, right? So this is like the main album, but this is the other album, let's say. So now if I save this, this is the front image. Okay, whatever then. But like, yeah, okay, so that's okay. Because like, what I want, and I'm assuming that the MP3 itself limits what metadata is possible, but what I want is to be able to when I'm viewing the albums, I see the album cover art, and then when I'm viewing the singles, I can see the song, the original song, like as a single cover art. That'd be cool, but that doesn't seem to be possible, unfortunately. But we've got lyrics here. If they're synchronized, they're separate. That's weird. And you can search the internet for lyrics. Whoa, that's cool. That's like instant as well. Um, okay, I don't want to save this now because I've just overwritten my lyrics. But I guess it's fine. Wait, so can I even search for timed lyrics? Synchronize, sorry. No. Okay. So where can I view lyrics? I mean, again, I don't want to get copyright, but repeat, shuffle. Like, is there a player? Mini player. Okay. Switch back. Switch back, please. Main player. Okay. Compact player? Why is that the background? Bro, what is this background image? This is not the song. Band picture. Okay. So we're going for modes, which is good for overplaying, like playing over like a browser or something. Uh, Different skins. So for skins, we've got window borders. It's going to relaunch. Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay, yeah. Blue, dark, multicolor neutral, MusicBee. Okay. What's Windows theme? God damn, that's horrific. What is dark? I guess. Arsenic. Oh, whoa. Okay. Um, so you can make your own skins as well, custom skins. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I don't care too much, but god damn, this is what what is going on? What are these colors? Wingated? That was Melon Remix. I should have known. I should have known. What the hell? Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna go back to default for now, but actually what's redstone? That looks oh it's neutral, I guess. What? Okay. Let's just go back to the normal one. Okay. So question is then, how do I sync this with my iTunes library, right, on my phone? And I think I need to use a separate separate tool to do that. So I'm not gonna do that now because I can't be bothered. I just wanted to look at this real quick, but cool. Tagging tools, artwork, rip CD, that's useful. Compressed library. Damn. Oh yeah, it'd be really good if this, because also for iTunes you can't directly import FLAC files, and you can also import WAV files, WAV, but they are treated as WAV, so you can't like give them metadata really of any kind, um, which sucks. So I have to use a tool to automatically convert different audio formats to MP3. But I'm hoping that this thing, like I'm hoping that one benefit of this is that it will make it a lot easier. Well, easier is that it will in it like this itself will have the ability to to import as MP3 and convert it on import. That'd be really save me quite a bit of time. Dude, what are these images and how do I customize them? Next picture. There is no other picture. Was this like secretly part of the album all along? Image one not labeled. What? Ah, okay. So it seems to take the Wikipedia image or data from like Last FM, I guess. I'm not entirely sure. That's cool, I think. You can't find information for these. No. What the hell? What is this? Dude, these images are whack. Okay. Okay, that's the video. Thanks for watching. I'm going to probably experiment more with this some other time. But for now, I think I've seen enough. I mean, I've very recently updated my library anyway, like 2 days ago, even 3 days ago, kind of thing. So I'm not itching to update it anytime soon. But when I do, I will hook it up to this and see what the process is, and hopefully I can replace iTunes for good.